Hi, this is Accutek car audio visual in Winchester. There's a little video of a Peugeot Boxer 2021-22. This has had a KENWOOD DNR992RVS installed. It's a really nice unit. It's got the built-in navigation, so you can have it for your motorhome or lorry, or even if you want to a car. It also allows you to put the size of the vehicle in, which is really handy, so it won't take you down routes that you're going to get stuck down, or low bridges if you've got a high top camper or lorry. In fact, this has also got Apple CarPlay. There we are, Apple CarPlay. It's also got Android Auto, wirelessly and wired. With this particular one, I've just for demo purposes got it plugged into the factory USB down here. So the CarPlay does the usual facilities that you have. It's got nice volume control, easy to use, easy to access. This is also available on the steering wheel controls, so all the steering wheel controls will work, so volume up and down, mute, voice activation. You can also have cameras put into this, so a front, rear and two sides if you wanted to, almost a 360 type view. If you'd like to have this done in your camper or Peugeot Boxer or Ducato, if you give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.